फिर यू टर्न करके आएंगे।
शिट सिग्नल, ओह डैम,
क्या हुआ?
सिग्नल तोड़ दिया, शिट।
Oh my God। तो
तभी मैं सोचा खाली हो गया। कोई बात नहीं, कोई पुलिस तो नहीं आ रही अपने पीछे।
पीछे पुलिस तो नहीं आ रही ना? मैं डर लगता है मुझे यार। So hey guys, the big surprise from Google is finally here. So last time they surprised me with Google Pixel 4a and this time the box is much bigger than before. So I'm doubtful case mein there could be maybe 2 phones or more than 1 phone. So let's unbox it. So this is the Pixel 4a that I had gotten last time. Now I'm even more excited because there's a possibility that there could be 2 phones inside because this box is double of the size. So let's unbox it. Wow. Wow. So here comes the Google's magic. 3, 2, 1. Wow. So I thought there must be 2 phones, but these are Google Pixel Buds. So I don't have any kind of wireless earbuds at the moment, not even AirPods. So this will be very handy. And this phone, Google Pixel 5 5G, comes with wireless reverse charging, so I'll be able to charge Pixel Buds with this phone, and I'm very excited to use it. And other than that, we have a premium case. So let's unbox the case first. Wow, the case is really sturdy and neat. And if I try to fit my Google Pixel 4a into the Google Pixel 5 case, let's see if it fits. It does fit properly, and there's minor gap for the camera, but size must be overall same as Google Pixel 4a. And here comes the Google Pixel Buds, which I'll be carrying every single day from now on. Charger. And now finally the Google Pixel 5. Now if you compare the box and if you compare the boxes of Google Pixel 5 and 4a, they are of the same size. So screen size भी मेरे ख्याल से काफी similar होगा. And thank you so much Team Pixel once again. Magic SIM ejector tool. First of all, I'll be putting my Airtel SIM card into the Google Pixel 5 from my Google Pixel 4a. And just like Pixel 4a, it comes with 18 to 20 watt fast charger, the OTG cable for USB drive, and Type-C to Type-C cable. It is honestly so hard to tell which one is Pixel 4a, which one is Pixel 5, because the screen size difference is only of 0.2 inches, but I can tell through the blue color that on the right I have Pixel 5. So now I'm recording with the wide angle camera of the Pixel 5. Let's do a test.
What are all the things you are getting in the such big parcels?
वो खुद नहीं पता how more parcels.
Even you don't know what this is.
No.
Swear to God.
Yeah, I swear I don't know how come more
To
parcels.
all people you are giving out your address. You have no idea, man.
Abhi,
You should look at Michael's expression. He was so pissed carrying these boxes inside.
oh my God, I'm so sorry. I know what these are. These are from my company. This is hardware for company. So this is
Hardware?
private. I cannot unbox. Make the video.
Oh, okay.
Job के लिए है मतलब.
Is your driver's license permit currently revoked, suspended, cancelled? No. Marital, medical, have you ever been? No.
अब 2 residential proofs.
I-20.
2 residential proof.
I-20.
I-20.
अभी यूपीएस तक तो चला ले, फिर वहाँ पे आगे मेरी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी ताकि टेस्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा, ठीक है?
हाँ. टेस्ट पे जा रहे हैं अर्पित के लाइसेंस के लिए. So let's go. एंड इसी बहाने आज पिक्सल टेस्ट भी हो जाएगा. गिर रहा है.
मैं रास्ता बताता हूँ, नेविगेशन की जरूरत नहीं।
So आज we are taking Arpit for his private test और इसी बहाने आज Google का कैमरा भी टेस्ट हो जाएगा, especially the wide angle lens. क्या हो रहा है? पता आ गया.
I sent you an email. Print this would be the subject.
तो लगा देता हूँ.
Rear view mirror, side view mirror.
You show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of.
वॉशिंग, अच्छा ये वॉशिंगटन मॉनिटरमेंट जैसा लगता है ना, वॉशिंगटन स्ट्रीट. या एंड माय ओल्ड अपार्टमेंट इज राइट देयर एंड आई कैन क्लियरली सी दैट कि द वाइड एंगल लेंस हैज लिटिल बिट नॉइज एंड लो लाइटिंग, तो आईफोन का बेटर हो सकता है, बट ओवरऑल इट्स नॉट अ बैड वाइड कैमरा एट ऑल, इट्स प्रीटी गुड. ये बताता भी लेन भी कौन सी लेनी है, कोई भी राइट टू लेंस ले सकता है. हॉली हॉली हॉली, वो सामने है, पीछे जाके आगे
दिख गया क्या? देखो
इधर टीडीएस की लाइन है.
डीडीएस हो रही है.
अच्छा ये रेस्टोरेंट की लाइन है.
डीडीएस
तो फाइल पूरी कंप्लीट है. मैं तो कहता पहले टेस्ट तो अपॉइंटमेंट अभी जाने तो दें. सो वी डोंट हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट एक्चुअली, बट वी गोना रिक्वेस्ट देम, क्योंकि मैंने चेक किया दिसंबर तक कोई टाइम अवेलेबल ही नहीं है. Yeah, चलते हैं. So the DDS said कि they will let us take the test without the appointment, but we will have to wait in the line. So line में लगेंगे 2 to 3 hours. So that's why कल फिर आना पड़ेगा. So we'll come at 7:30 AM tomorrow या फिर maybe this Friday. And this time we're using Waze rather than Google Maps because last time the turns were pretty steep and very scary and very hard to take. So let's see how's our experience with Waze this time. फिर U-turn करके आएंगे.
Oh shit, signal. Oh damn.
क्या हुआ?
सिग्नल तोड़ दिया. शिट.
Oh my god. तो
तभी मैं सोचा खाली हो गया. कोई बात नहीं. कोई पुलिस तो नहीं आ रही अपने
पीछे पुलिस तो नहीं आ रही ना. मैं डर लगता है मुझे यार, फिर टिकट मुझे मिलेगी क्योंकि यार फिर लर्निंग लाइसेंस पे टिकट मुझे मिलेगी. वैसे मैं भी 3 बार रेड लाइट क्रॉस कर चुका हूँ अब तक, पर दैट वाज नॉट इंटेंशनली. यार वेज ने ले ली. इंडिया में कभी थोड़ा सिग्नल,
इंडिया में तो लौटते रहते.
Straight 0.8 miles. And Apple Watch का बहुत फायदा है because I can change the songs from my watch, तो मुझे नेविगेशन खराब करना नहीं पड़ता. वाओ, ये देखो ये बता रहा है पुलिस इन 0.3 miles, तो यहाँ पे स्पीड लिमिट में रहना है. कहाँ से पुलिस? अच्छा ये
पुलिस आ रही.
अच्छा वाओ, बिल्कुल सही है यार. वेज बता दिया पुलिस आ गई. So cool. So
ये रही पुलिस.
ओह ये पुलिस, क्या बात है. बाय बाय मामे. यार $15 के चावल देखिए कुछ होने लग गया. इंडिया में 500 के आते थे शायद 5 किलो.
पता नहीं
है. तो सिर्फ ये कौन से पराठे हैं? हल्दीराम के नहीं है.
कवन के बहुत गंदे होते हैं, मैंने तक के देखे.
$12 के 3 पाउंड.
हाँ
बहुत महंगे यार.
कहाँ महंगे
हैं?
$6 का इतना सा मिलता है. पब्लिक्स में दिख गया नहीं, कितनी बार तो लिया है तूने.
अच्छा चलिए
ट्रेल मिक्स कितने का होता है?
ट्रेल मिक्स महंगा होता है, वो तो है ही. पहले लेते हैं, ये आदतें कर लेंगे.
$24 काजू महंगा है.
बहुत महंगा है. अच्छा ये 13 है, ये 24 है. पिछली बार ये वाला सस्ता था और ये वाला महंगा था पतंजलि का. इस बार दोनों सेम प्राइस के हैं, तो यही ले लेते हैं. ये पैकिंग अच्छी है ना.
हाँ ये पैकिंग कन्वीनियंट है.
हाँ ये कनेडियन की है, बट पंजाबी में लिखा हुआ है. So, as I'm finally back, let's talk about the 5 things you really need to know about the Google Pixel 5. Number 1, camera. So, as you already saw, pretty much the entire video was shot with the wide angle lens, not the normal one, wide angle lens of this Google Pixel 5. It was pretty good experience, but you really need to know that it is 0.6x wide as compared to 0.5x wide of the iPhone 11. So that means, in simple words, this is 20% less wide as compared to iPhone 11. So if you can see this frame on iPhone 11, it will be a little bit smaller on the Pixel 5, but it's not much noticeable. It was great vlogging experience overall. You can see a little bit noise in terms of video performance, but in terms of photos, there was no noise at all with the Google Pixel 5 wide angle lens. And also, if you even look at the night mode shots, it is present with the wide angle lens of Google Pixel 5, but it is absent with the iPhone 11's wide angle lens. And number 2 is reverse wireless charging. Now I can charge my Pixel Buds by putting on the back of Pixel 5. It's pretty convenient. And number 3 is that in the last 3 days, I'm trying my best to make my Airtel SIM card work on the Pixel 5, which I'm not able to. I think the reason is that the 5G bands of AT&T are not available in Atlanta, because Airtel SIM card, which is only in India, it uses AT&T's network in the US. So I personally think maybe AT&T's network for 5G is not here in Atlanta yet. Maybe I'll have to check. So that's why I was not able to use my Airtel India SIM card in the US. And now number 3 is India pricing. So Pixel 4a will be launched in India for around 30,000 rupees on 17th October. And the Pixel 5 expected price will be around 50,000 rupees. I'm not sure yet, but according to some sources, it will be around 50,000 rupees. And I think it's still a good deal, because the software experience you will get on Pixel is better than even OnePlus, which may be offering better price in India, but still I enjoyed it so much. And now talking about the 90 Hz refresh rate, which honestly, do I notice it? No, the difference seems to be like Swift versus Swift Desire, because from iPhone 11, the refresh rate is 60 Hz. Pixel 5 refresh rate is 90 Hz. I notice it only while scrolling, and that also 5 to 10%. So like जैसे कि Swift Desire में क्या होता है, you barely notice the extra space in the trunk. You notice it only when you need it. Similarly, when I'm like focusing on scrolling, then only notice that कि हाँ refresh rate ज़्यादा. Otherwise, day-to-day usage में refresh rate का कोई फर्क पता ही नहीं चलता. So that's why refresh rate is not really important to me personally. For some of you, it may be. So overall, I'm really enjoying it. And now once AT&T's band is in Atlanta, I'll be keeping my SIM card of Airtel in Pixel 5 and using both of these phones together, and then probably give you a full review in the future as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.